Today we cover how to buy shares of BHP Group Ltd ADR, a global resources and mining company producing iron ore, copper, and other commodities. The ADR trades on NASDAQ under the ticker BHP. This content is educational only and does not constitute financial advice. To place a trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account. This usually requires an official ID and then add funds to your account before buying. Open the platform search field and type the ticker BHP to locate the ADR listing. Make sure you select the correct NASDAQ listing for BHP before continuing. On the BHP asset page, review the basic company information and the live price chart to see recent movement. Confirm the listing details and exchange to ensure this is the right BHP ADR. To buy, click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be queued, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, your BHP position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration.